If saying no to your boss feels like you just betrayed your family, then you are a prisoner of a ghost in your own DNA. This feeling, this gut-wrenching guilt when you try to protect your time, is not a moral failure. It is a weapon your ancient ancestors used to survive. And now it is pointed directly at your head. It is a biological error, a misfire from a brain that still thinks you live in a primitive hunter-gatherer tribe. In that world, being selfish meant exile. It meant death. Your brain screams this ancient warning every time you try to set a boundary at your desk. It equates protecting your evening with abandoning the hunt. It mistakes your boss's disappointment for the tribe turning its back on you. This is the invisible cage you rattle against every single day, an ancestral echo that is driving you straight into exhaustion. This is not a theory. It is a documented neurological mismatch. Cross-sectional data from over 1,000 Dutch workers proved that blurred work-life boundaries directly predict a drop in happiness through emotional exhaustion. The mediation effect was statistically significant. Beta equals negative 0.05. Your brain's empathy circuits, the mirror neurons and oxytocin systems that ensured your tribe cooperated, are now being hijacked by your open plan office. When you absorb a colleague's panic or take on your manager's stress, you are not being a team player. You are activating an ancient altruism protocol that was never designed for quarterly reports and endless Zoom calls. This is the source of the fake shame. Your mental boundaries crumble when the company's mission violates your personal values. Your time boundaries evaporate when a request for overtime feels like a demand for tribal loyalty. Each time you give in, you are not earning respect. You are feeding a prehistoric error that drains your energy and breeds deep resentment. You feel guilty for protecting the very resources you need to perform: your time, your focus, your sanity. But what if you could take a hammer to this cage? What if you could shatter this fake guilt with the cold, hard logic of an emperor? The Stoics, men like Marcus Aurelius and Epictetus, diagnosed this problem 2,000 years ago. They taught that your feelings do not come from events. They come from your judgment of those events. That guilt you feel is not real. It is a false judgment, an indifferent impression you are choosing to accept. The Stoics give us a weapon to dismantle this biological error. It is a 3-part protocol for reclaiming your mind. Number 1, the dichotomy of control. You cannot control your colleague's reaction. You cannot control their attempts to make you feel guilty. You can only control your actions, your decision to set a boundary. Their emotional response is external to you. It is not your burden to carry. Number 2, premeditatio malorum, or the premeditation of evils. Before you say no, you will visualize the guilt. You will feel it in advance. You will look at it and say, this feels like tribal exile, but it is a modern illusion. You will rehearse the conversation. You will practice saying the words. This strips the feeling of its power. Number 3, view the guilt as an opportunity. That knot in your stomach is not a warning. It is a signal for growth. Every time you successfully enforce a boundary, you are not being selfish. You are modeling psychological safety for your entire team. You are teaching them, through action, that rest and respect are not weaknesses. They are strengths. This is not about a massive confrontation. This is about small, deliberate, daily actions that rewire the error. You start today. You will put your working hours in your email signature. That is a small, clear boundary. When asked to stay late, you will not give a long-winded excuse. You will state the fact clearly and calmly. My health and family commitments require me to finish at 5. I will prioritize the most critical tasks tomorrow morning. You are not asking for permission. You are stating a fact. This is not coldness. This is clarity. And consistent clarity is what builds trust and real collaboration. the opposite of the frantic people-pleasing your tribal brain craves. You are not a bad person for protecting your energy. You are a professional protecting his most valuable asset. You are a man breaking free from an ancient program that no longer serves you. The guilt will scream at first. It will feel like a betrayal. But with each small victory, its voice will get quieter. You will replace the fake shame of the tribe with the genuine self-respect of the individual. You will stop being a prisoner of the ghost. You will become the master of your own mind. Now,